Hey, hello again. Welcome to Tuesday. Do your attendance. Don't forget it. You should do it. Like every day. Do your attendance. I'm only going to remind you like 50 more times, but still, do your attendance every day. Other things to mention before we get going is in Schoology, that is where you're going to be seeing your grades for all your formative and summative assignments. So if you're checking on Student View to see your grades, you're not really going to see them there. Any formative or summative work, just go to your grade book at the top of your Schoology tab and you'll see feedback there. Just also want to remind you that if you need to ask for help, obviously this week's going to be pretty easy, but maybe you got a tech issue going on. I'll point you to, once again, those office hours if you really want to do like the voice chat and get everything figured out. But other than just that, you can send messages on Schoology. I'm sure you've learned that. I'm pretty good at getting to those, but if you want to get to me the fastest, the best way is to email my school email. So that is stahlmannl at district279.org. That information is also in the syllabus if you forgot all of that, and if you don't have the second N, I don't even know where that email is going to go. Not to me. So for today, you have a Schoology scavenger hunt. Try your best to contain your excitement. I know it's pretty wild, but essentially what you need to do is you have just a handful of questions. You have up to 5 attempts. By all means, please take this thing until you get all of them right. Should be a slam dunk. Should be a good time. It's just designed to help you get used to Schoology and getting through all of this. And like take your attendance every day. Like every day. Just do it. Just do your attendance every day before you do stuff.